Let's see how to create a new YouTube channel under the same email address. Let's open up your YouTube account and go into your channel. Go open the YouTube account in the top right corner of the page. Click on Switch Accounts and go to View All Channels. Then click on Create a Channel. Choose a channel name. In my case, I'm going to name it Epic Tales. Click on the checkbox. Press the Create button. This will create a new channel. You can look into YouTube Studio to see all the contents and watch history and control it. As you can see, there is nothing here. You can see all the channels when you get into your Switch accounts. And that's how you create a new channel. Enjoy!